In this video, I'll show you how to OCR PDF documents from scannable PDFs to editable PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a scanned PDF with me here, and if I just double click on it, it's going to open up in Edge, and as you can see, you cannot make any selections to this particular PDF. You cannot make selections to the text, to change the text or anything. Now, as I've mentioned, we're going to be using Adobe Acrobat, and I do have it open right here, and all I'll need to do is just drag and drop my scanned PDF. Now, my scanned PDF is right here, but you still take a note that you cannot make edits to the text. You need to do OCR, and OCR is optical character recognition, whereby Adobe Acrobat is kind of going to see what's in this particular scanned PDF and see what can be made into editable text, or more or less even images for this case. So from the tools right here, there's the option for scan and OCR. I'll click on that, and what this does is that it turns images into the different elements, because this more or less is an image but has text. So we want to make this text editable for whatever purpose that you want. Now, once I do that, you've got a couple of options right here. You can even enhance the scanned file. You can enhance camera image. But for this one, I'll just click on in this file, this particular arrow here, and I want to get all pages, and the language of the text is English US, and then I'll click on this gear icon right here. Once I click on this gear icon, the new dialog box is the recognized text, and on which pages. I want all pages. There are about 21 pages, and you can also do maybe for the current page, or from page X to page Y, or whatever range that you want. And as for the settings, the document language, what is the output? Editable text and images. That is what I want. But you also have the option for searchable image where you can extract, and also you can do editable text and images. That's what I want. And downsample to 600 dpi. You can downsample to the rest, but let's do 600 dpi. I'll click OK, and once you're satisfied, let's just come back here, click on recognize text. Now it's going to start the recognition, and it's going to go page by page by page. So all the way from page 1 to the last, that is 21, it's going to do the same thing. Optical character recognition for the text and images that are available in this particular PDF, so that this scanned PDF can be converted into an editable PDF. So we'll give it a couple of minutes, and once it's done, we are going to see the results that we get with the OCR that is going to be performed using Adobe Acrobat. Now we are almost done. We are in the last page, page 21, and that's the last page. And this might take a little bit longer, because it's kind of doing everything that it needs to do and making sure that all the text is editable, but it just takes a couple of seconds and it's done. So we are at page 21 of 21, and now what we have is, if I click right there, you'll see the cursor flicker. You can make selections, unlike when we actually looked at it. But for us to enjoy the editing, I'll need to click on the edit button right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to appreciate that we now have some boxes right here, more or less bounding boxes for the text, and you can actually now do many edits for maybe the text. That's what you want to do. You can also even change maybe that space. Maybe you wanted to make this a little bit bigger. You can do whatever you want right there, so that you can make the edits as you want them to be. So make adjustments to that. You can scroll down a little bit. The same applies to this. You can see for the different images what you can do. You can do the changes. For this one, you can make the edits how you want. Now you can remove images, add images, and all that you'd like to do. But if all you wanted to do was OCR a scanned PDF into an editable PDF, that's how you can do it using Adobe Acrobat. This is just a quick reminder. Once you're done making edits to your PDF, and now that it's editable, remember to save it. So you can go to the menu, save as, and then you can go to the folder that you want and click on that, and you can now rename this to scan or editable. You can rename it to editable PDF. You can rename it to that. Click on save, so that you kind of don't overwrite the original scan PDF that we had right here. So we now have the editable PDF. If I just double click on it, you see you can now highlight it, unlike the scanned PDF right here that you could not highlight. But being able to highlight or not highlighting does not mean that you can actually edit a PDF. But in this video, I've walked you through how to convert a PDF from a scanned PDF document to an editable PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.